The machine that defined large format 3D printing is stepping into a new era. Known for its scale, trusted for its reliability. Now, meet the intelligence. Empowered by next-generation automation and control, the latest generation BigRep ONE has evolved. Built on a decade of proven performance, 1 cubic meter build volume now features XYZ auto-calibration. Adaptive bed mesh leveling sets a new benchmark for perfect first layers every time. Dual extruders define a new standard with an even higher flow rate, supercharged by advanced motion control. Dual drive feeding gears and diamond nozzles tackle high-volume abrasive materials, while pressure advance and input shaping algorithms eliminate vibrations. This new system delivers up to 10% faster print times with uncompromised quality. The BigRep ONE comes with 2 extruders to maximize your uptime. Use it for dual extrusion of 2 materials, or rely on intelligent relay mode, where the backup automatically takes over if your filament runs out. Scaling up production? Activate twin mode to print identical parts simultaneously. Or use auto-sequential printing to queue compatible parts automatically, multiplying your efficiency. The One features the SWITCHPLATE magnetic print bed with customizable surface options. Your massive prints stay firmly locked in during production, yet release effortlessly the moment they are finished. Limitless creation needs effortless navigation. Step into a completely reimagined, intuitive user interface, driven by our next-generation production OS architecture. With pre-configured smart material profiles built right in, simply select your filament, and the system instantly loads the perfect printing parameters. Our open material system means you are free to print any compatible material, BigRep or any third party. An integrated keep dry box ensures your filaments are always print ready. Plus 24/7 remote monitoring through BigRep Connect, and over-the-air updates keep your platform future ready. Engineered for a massive range of applications, the new digital ecosystem powers a seamlessly connected platform. From the first layer to the finished print, the BigRep ONE automates every step of large format printing. Industry leaders in automotive, aerospace, research and education, product design, art, and architecture. Trust in the BigRep ONE. A legacy of innovation. The original large format. BigRep ONE.